public speaking. Yeah, public speaking is a powerful tool with the potential to influence and inspire. It is important to use this power responsibly, ensuring your words are ethical and contribute to a positive impact. Okay, next. Next material, there are importance of ethical behavior. There are 3 points: trust and credibility, respectful communication, and positive influence. Trust and credibility. Ethical behavior will trust and strengthen the speaker's credibility with their audience. Respectful communication. Ethical speakers respect their audience and avoid making biases or discriminatory statements. Positive influence. Ethical communication encourage thoughtful discussion and inspire positive change. Next. Next material, there are principles of ethical communication. There are 3 points again: honesty, fairness, and respect. Honesty. Always be truthful and transparent in your communication, avoiding misleading information. Fairness. Present information in a balanced way, acknowledging different perspectives and potential biases. And respect. Show respect for your audience, their opinion, and their values, regardless of differences. Next. Yeah, avoiding manipulation, deception. There are 3 points again. There are false information, emotional appeals, and hidden agendas. First, false information. Do not intentionally misrepresent fact or present them out of context to sway the audience. And emotional appeals. Avoid using emotional appeals to manipulate the audience feelings instead or logical reasoning. And hidden agendas. Be transparent about your own interest and motivation, avoiding any hidden agendas. Last material, there are ethical consideration in presentation delivery. There are 3 points again: appropriate language, visual aids, and audience interaction. First, use appropriate language. Use inclusive and respectful language, avoiding slang, jargon, or offering terms. 2. Visual aids. Ensure visual aids are accurate, relevant, and ethical search, avoiding potential misrepresentation or plagiarism. Last, audience interaction. Engage with the audience in a respectful and inclusive way, creating a safe space for open discussion and diverse opinion. Remember, audience is the hero in this narrative. As speaker, we must gain